The ZONESUN ZS-MSZH50L2 is an automatic vertical box cartoning machine designed for packing bottles, cosmetics, and similar products into paper cartons. Operating at 15 to 20 boxes per minute, it features an intermittent motion system with a rotary star wheel structure that divides the process into 4 stations: carton feeding, bottom folding, product loading, and top folding. With its PLC touchscreen control, feeding manipulator, and synchronized conveyor system, it ensures precise alignment, stable operation, and efficient packaging. Ideal for reverse tuck, lock bottom, and crash bottom cartons, this machine streamlines your packaging workflow for medium to large-scale production lines.